I just noticed that Frase doesn't have a Instagram hashtag generator template, so I figured I would put one together. So if you come into the community tab and search for hashtag, you'll find Instagram hashtag generator by Alex. And all that you need to put in here is a primary topic. So you can be very simple with this or a little bit more complex. So for example, I can do something like local business marketing and hit generate. And most of the time it comes out with 30. This time it was 29. If I do it again, we'll see what happens. And yeah, so that one's 30. Usually it's 30. It might be one more or one less. You'll find a lot of the same hashtags will get used. There will be a lot of common ones between them, but there will also be different ones. And so the way that I use this is I actually have another software that manages my hashtags for me and also counts them and points out any duplicates, and that's called SocialBee. So this is SocialBee, and if I just go to add post to this category, and then I click the hashtag down here, I have quite a few of these for different topics and different clients. And then if I scroll all the way down to add hashtag collection, I can give it a name and I can paste in as many hashtags as I want, and it'll give me a hashtag count, but it'll also tell me if there's any duplicates so that I can just get rid of them easily. Anyways, that's how I manage my hashtags. And again, you can generate all types of different hashtags here. I did experiment with a number of different things. Like, for example, let's say you like fantasy movies. You can generate some hashtags about that. And load more. And so you got 31 that time, 31 again. But it's usually 30 or one above or one below. And usually if I generate 2 or 3 times, I'll have at least 40 to 50 unique hashtags. All right, so that is the Instagram hashtag generator on Frase, which is one of my favorite AI writing tools. You can find the affiliate link for Frase in the description. And if you're already in Frase, then you can find this template in the Community Templates tab. I'm going to share it right now. And if you need any help with AI writing or copywriting or content writing, feel free to contact me.